Hello everyone, let's learn about variables in maths. A variable is a symbol, usually a letter, used to represent a number that can change. See how? Variable and constant. First you try to understand that variable which vary, its root word is vary. Vary means to change. A variable is something that can change. We use letters to show variables like x, y, z, a, b, m, and there may be any letter. Example, 2 times x plus 5, the value of x can change. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, there may be any letter. If y is the number of apples, y can be 0, 1, 2 or more. Any number there can be. And constant, root word constant. Constant means that which does not change. A constant is something that does not change. We use numbers to show constants like 2, 5, 10, 100, pi. In 2 times x plus 5, the numbers 2 and 5 are constants because they always remain same, their value remains same. In pi, 3.14 is a constant. In the formula SI, P times R times T over 100, the number 100 is a constant, and upper P, R, T, they are all variables. Any value we can put therein. Variable from vary can change, shown by letters. Constant from constant does not change, shown by numbers. What is a variable? Variable is a letter or symbol used in place of unknown or changing numbers. It can take different values. Examples of variables: x, y, g, a, b, m, n, p, q. There may be any letter. X can be 1, 2, 3 or any number there may be. See the examples. If x represents the number of apples, x can be 1, 2, 3 or any number. Here x value, there may be anything. If y represents the marks in a test, here y value may be anything. As marks are generally from 0 to 100, the y can be anything. Like here we have written 95. If n represents the number of sides of a polygon, if there is any polygon, number of sides, and n we write, and in place of n we can write any value that we want to give. Variables in expressions. Variables are used in mathematical expressions and formulas. See how? 2 times x plus 5. Here x is a variable. 3 times y minus 7. Here y is a variable. A squared plus 1. Here a is a variable. The value of the expression changes when the value of variable changes. Evaluating expressions. Find the value of the expression 2 times x plus 5. Here x we can equate it, means we can give any value 1, 2, 5, 10, any value we can give, and whatever the value we give to x, so in place of x then we substitute with the same value. Here as we have given value of 1, then x is substituted by 1, here by 2, here by 5, here by 10, and accordingly then we calculate. Here we have given, now we multiply 2 by 1 plus 5. 2 by 1 that is 2 plus 5 that is 7. 2 by 2 we multiply 2 by 2 that is 4 plus 5 that is 9. 2 by 10 that is 10 plus 5 that is 15. And here we have given the value 10 to x, so we multiply 2 by 10 plus 5. 2 by 10 that is 20 plus 5 that is 25. First substitute the value of x, simplify the expression as we have simplified here, and get the final value as we have got here the final value. Types of variables. There are two types of variables: independent variable, dependent variable. X, say for example, the variable that we choose or control, whatever the value we give to that variable, we are independent. Example, in y is equal to 3 times x plus 2. X is the independent variable. Here we may give any value to x, and accordingly then y value will be decided, and that's why we say y depends on x, and to y we say dependent variable, the variable that depends on the value of another variable. Example, y is equal to 3 times x plus 2. Y depends on x. Whatever the value we give to x, accordingly there would be the value of y. Remember, the independent variable affects or changes the dependent variable, because here it is independent, and whatever the value we would give, accordingly there would be value of y. We control x, and as x changes, y also changes. Common variables. Letters used. We use lowercase letters, uppercase letters, some other symbols like here A, B, C, D, E, or any letter X, Y, G, or they may be uppercase, or they may be other symbols like pi, M, N, P, Q, R, T, U, V. There may be any letter. Usually we use lowercase letters for variables, but any letter or symbol can be used as a variable. Key idea is we use letters or symbols as variables because they help us represent numbers in a general and simple way. Variables in equations. Variables are used in equations to find unknown values. Example, 2 times x plus 5 is equal to 15. Here x is the variable. It can be found. See, let's try to solve it. 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Here we need to find the value of x because it is variable, and whatever the value of it, then accordingly we can solve it. And how to solve it? Because this expression should be equal to this side, and then we say it's the equation. This equation sign should be taken like a balance scale, means it should be equal to 15. And how to isolate? First, like they have added later on 5, first we subtract the 5, then it becomes easy to find the value of x. And now it is equal to 10, and if we divide it by 2, say for example, because when we multiply, as we see here, we have divided here 10 by 2, its answer is 5. Now if we write here 5 in place of x, then what we see, it's 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Now we see the value of x is 5. Now we can equate it. If we give here x value 5, then we multiply 2 by 5, and then we add 5, then it is 15. Key idea is that an equation shows that two expressions are equal. We use variables to find the unknown numbers that make it true. Thank you.